This is the latest Longse NVR 6.0 system. It utilizes a new, intuitive modular. In this guide, we will explore the NVR's high-efficiency access and integration features. The first method. After connecting the network cable, directly discover the device in the NVR on the PC. The second method. Ensure the camera is in the same local area network as the NVR. Click Refresh to search for devices. After the camera is found, click Edit to modify the IP address and default password. Select the camera. Click Add to add it to the NVR. Successfully added.
Longse, more secure, more intelligent.